exploring the phrasal verb break into and its related expressions. Hello learners! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive deep into a common English phrasal verb, break into, and understand its various uses. More excitingly, we'll explore some related expressions that give your English a more natural flair. Let's get started. Before we explore related expressions, let's quickly revisit break into. It generally means to enter a place or situation abruptly or by force. For example, the thieves broke into the house, or she suddenly broke into laughter. All right, now that we have a good understanding of break into, let's delve into some related expressions. These can enrich your vocabulary and make your English sound more fluent. 1. Burst into. Very similar to break into, but often used for sudden expressions of emotion. For example, he burst into tears when he heard the news. 2. Hack into. Specifically used in the context of computers and technology, meaning to gain unauthorized access. For example, the hacker managed to hack into the company's secure network. 3. Barge into. Implies entering a place or situation abruptly, often rudely or uninvited. For example, she barged into the meeting without an invitation. 4. Dive into. Refers to starting something enthusiastically or immediately. For example, after the workshop, I couldn't wait to dive into my new project. 5. Break through. Meaning to overcome a barrier or difficulty. For example, after years of research, they finally broke through and found a cure for the disease. Now, the best way to remember these expressions is to practice. Try to use at least one of these expressions in your conversations today. For instance, talk about a time when you dove into a new hobby or when someone barged into your room without knocking. And that wraps up our session on break into and its related expressions. We hope this video helps you to broaden your English vocabulary and use these expressions confidently in your day-to-day interactions. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep exploring the fascinating world of English. Until next time, happy learning!